what we have is Lamborghini, Dodge, and Suicide. Two car in one. So this is the car that we want to bring out for our car show. Next step is to give it a nice paint job. You know what I mean? Nice paint job. Now we're gonna take a little step further. We're gonna go into the engine. Let me call my partner. Skins. Skin. Let's open that bonnet for me. We'll give my partner a little explanation there of the engine. How does it work? What kind of engine it is? Hold the bonnet. Bonnet.
Shots of the engine. Alright, I'm gonna go up to the man now.
So Skins, what kind of an engine is this here, right?
Toyota Supercharger.
Toyota Supercharger. Wow. This engine built especially for speed.
Yeah.
So when is the next car show you're gonna hold?
Christmas.
Christmas. We have a car show for Christmas. So this is my next partner here. My main partner. His name is John.
Good.
Nice mechanic. So mainly our work for today is done. Until tomorrow again, we have a next assignment where we will start again on our project. This is our main project for the car show on December. We have to get this car ready, prepared, and done